Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop Discord from launching on your startup on a computer or laptop. Okay guys, let's get into it. Here I have opened my laptop with Windows, and when we install the Discord application, it will be automatically launched on the startup, right? And sometimes it really annoying because we need to close the Discord, and sometimes it disturb our activity on our Windows. So here I'm going to show you the solution on how to stop Discord from launching on our startup. Okay, first of all guys, of course you need to open up your Discord application, and you're going to go to the Discord setting. You can click on this gear icon, and you're going to go to the Windows setting. Okay, and then here you will see system startup behavior, and you can disable this feature. Okay, right after you disable this feature, the Discord app won't be automatically opened on the computer startup. Okay guys, and that's all the way to stop Discord app from launching on startup. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.